Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're getting an exclusive look at what could be the stunning 2026 Mazda CX-5. This isn't just an update, it's a potential leap forward in design and luxury, ready to redefine the compact SUV segment. If you're looking for sophistication and an engaging drive, you'll want to see this. Alright, let's talk about the exterior. The anticipated 2026 Mazda CX-5 embodies a refined Kodo design. The front fascia features a bolder, more integrated grille, seamlessly flowing into those sharp LED headlights, giving it an undeniable presence. From the side, its coupe-like silhouette is even more pronounced, with sculpted lines and those striking black multi-spoke wheels that add to its athletic stance. Around the back, the sleek horizontal LED taillights provide a distinctive signature, complemented by subtly integrated dual exhausts. It's clear Mazda is pushing boundaries, delivering a look that's both dynamic and elegant. Stepping inside, the cabin is where the CX-5 truly impresses. Mazda's driver-centric philosophy shines through, with premium materials evident everywhere, soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, and that inviting ambient lighting. The large, integrated infotainment display promises intuitive controls, likely with all the connectivity you'd expect. A digital instrument cluster provides a modern touch. What truly stands out are these gorgeous two-tone brown and black leather seats, offering both visual appeal and apparent comfort. The center console is well organized, with tactile controls, showing Mazda's commitment to ergonomics. This interior rivals many true luxury vehicles, creating a serene and sophisticated environment. Mazda's commitment to their Jinba Itai driving philosophy suggests we can anticipate a responsive, engaging, and comfortable driving experience. We expect refinements to their Skyactiv G engines, possibly with new hybrid options, delivering both power and efficiency. And, as always with Mazda, a comprehensive suite of iActiv safety features will likely be standard, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 looks poised to be more than just another SUV. It promises to be a premium, driver-focused vehicle that blends stunning aesthetics with refined comfort and advanced technology. It's a statement piece, designed to elevate your daily drive. What do you think of this potential 2026 Mazda CX-5? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited for its arrival? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.